We are given the trig integral cosine squared 3x dx evaluated from negative pi up to pi. Now the first thing we'll do, because this is a squared trig entity, is we'll perform a double angle identity to do a step down. So we can rewrite this as the integral from negative pi to pi of 1 plus cosine, and this is a double angle, so we will double the angle here and make this 6x all over 2 dx. Moving forward, we can go ahead and pull this 2 out front and write it as a 1/2 times the integral from negative pi up to pi of 1 plus cosine 6x dx. Integrating now, we can go ahead and say that 1, when you integrate with respect to x, is simply 1/2 times, again the integral of 1 is just x, and to integrate cosine 6x, you get plus sine 6x over 6, and then we can evaluate this from negative pi up to pi. Evaluating this, we can say 1/2 times pi plus sine of 6 pi over 6 minus, in parentheses, negative pi plus sine of negative 6 pi over 6. And because we're working with sine here, and sine is an odd function, this negative in the middle actually comes out front. This can be rewritten as negative sine 6 pi. And so simplifying this, what we're really working with is 1/2 times pi plus sine 6 pi over 6 plus pi, and then we have another minus and a minus, so that's plus again, sine 6 pi over 6. Now what's important to note here is that sine of 6 pi is simply sine evaluated when you go around the unit circle 3 times and you land back at your original point, which is typically known as 0, or 2 pi, or 4 pi, or in this case 6 pi. And sine, the y value, at this point is 0. So this is really just 0, that is really just 0. So what we're left with is 1/2 times 2 pi, when you add that pi and that pi. Of course the 2's cancel, so we're just left with pi. And that is the solution to our integral. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.